Today we start maxima and minima. 6.5 method to find local maxima and local minima using second order derivative test. Let the function be fx. Let the function be fx. Second point. Find f dash x. Find the differentiation of fx, and using f dash x is equal to 0, find the critical points of fx. Say x is equal to x1, x2, x3. Third, find f double dash x, second order derivative of fx, and check the sign of f double dash x. Check the sign of f double dash x at all the critical points. Those points where f double dash x is positive or greater than 0, f double dash x greater than 0, ये कंडीशन हो, then the point is of local minima, and function is local minima. Those points f double dash x less than 0, then the point is local maxima. Local maxima. Fifth, if f double dash x is equal to 0, f double dash x is equal to 0, then second order derivative test fails. Now use first order derivative test. Now use first order derivative test. First order derivative test. First point, check the sign of f dash x when x is slightly less than x1. Second, check the sign of again f dash x when x is slightly greater than x1. Third, if f dash x changes from positive to negative, then point x1 is local maxima. if f dash x changes from negative to positive, then point x1 is called local minima. If f dash x sign does not change, if first order derivative sign does not change, then x1 is called point of inflection. That is no maxima or minima. Exercise 6.5. Question 1. See the first part. Find the maximum and minimum value if any of the following function given by. Find maximum and minimum value. First part, fx is given to you 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. Now, we can clearly see that the value of this is either 0 or more than 0. So, minimum value is 3. Here, by seeing the function, we can say that minimum value is 3 or maximum value does not exist. By method of working rule, we find f dash x. What is f dash x? 2 bracket 2x minus 1 into 2 or 0. Now, what to do? Find f dash x is equal to 0. So, 2 into 2, 4, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it is 2x. So it is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 2. At which point 1 by 2. Now f double dash x is, this is f dash x. So f double dash x is 4. 2x का क्या हो जाएगा? Into 2. It is 8. So f double dash x is equal to 8 greater than 0. So f double dash x is greater than. So we can say that f is minimum at x is equal to किस point पे? 1 by 2 पे. So minimum put in fx. So minimum value क्या हो जाएगी? Minimum value f 1 by 2 पे क्या हो जाएगी? 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3. So it becomes 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. This is the minimum value. Maximum value does not see. We can calculate directly in this question or by procedure you can calculate 3 is the minimum value. One more question I will take. I can do directly see second part 9x square fx is given to you 9x square plus 12x plus 2. Now, what is the procedure? First you find f dash x in this. Either you make it whole square, then you can also write directly. I am doing by second order derivative test. f dash x is equal to 18x plus 12 or 2 का 0. Now we will do f dash x is equal to 0. So 18x is equal to 18x plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x is equal to minus 12. X is equal to minus 12 upon 18. 6 2 are 6 3 are minus 2 upon 3. The point is minus 2 upon 3. Now we find f double dash x. F double dash x. So it is 18. So it is greater than 0. So f is minimum at x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So minimum value. We find minimum value is equal to, put in this, 9 minus 2 by 3 whole square plus 12 minus 2 by 3 plus 2. So 9 into 4 upon 9, 3 4s are 12, minus 8 plus 2, 6 minus 8. So minimum value is equal to minus 2. Minimum value is minus 2. Question 2. Find the maximum and minimum value. Fourth part is fx is equal to modulus of sin 4x plus 3. We know that sin 4x lies between minus 1 to 1. Minimum value of sin is minus 1 and maximum 1. So I will, if you add 3 minus 1 plus 3 sin 4x plus 3 1 plus 3. Now it becomes 2 sin 4x plus 3 and 1 plus 3 is 4. Taking modulus on both sides. So it is modulus of 2 is 2. It is fx and it is 4. So minimum value is 2, maximum value 4. Now I will take fifth part. Now fifth part is hx is equal to x plus 1 and x belongs to minus 1 to 1. Now h dash x. What is h dash x? Is equal to 1. Now h dash x is equal to 0. It is positive. So h dash x sign does not change. If I take h double dash x is equal to क्या हो जाएगा 0. So when f double dash x is equal to 0, we will use first order derivative. We see that here sign does not change, or f dash x is equal to 0. It means function hx is neither maximum nor minimum. Question third, second part. Find the local maxima and local minima. Find local maxima and local minima. Second part, gx is given to you x cube minus 3x. So we have to find local maxima and local minima. So first we find g dash x, 3x square minus 3. Now find the values of x. So make g dash x is equal to 0. 3x square minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x square is equal to 3. X square is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to plus minus 1. Now find double differentiate g double dash x. It is 6x. 3 का हो गया 0. So at x is equal to 1. G double dash x at x is equal to 1 is 6. That is positive. It means at x is equal to 1, gx is local minima. So local minima value क्या हो जाएगी g1 पे 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So minus 2 is the value at x is equal to 1. Now at x is equal to minus 1. At x is equal to minus 1. So what is g double dash x? At x is equal to minus 1. It is minus 6. यहाँ minus 1 रख देंगे. It is minus 6. Less than 0. That is negative. So gx is local maxima at x is equal to minus 1. So maximum value क्या हो जाएगी? Local maximum value is g minus 1 हो जाएगी value minus 1 plus 3 यानी कि 2 at x is equal to 1. Question 4. Question 3rd, 4th part. Find the local maxima and local minima. Find local maxima and local minima. Function is given to you f(x) is equal to sin x minus cos x. The range is 0 to pi, greater than 0 and less than 2 pi. Now first we find f dash x, derivation of fx. Sin x का cos x minus sin x. So cos x is minus sin x, so it becomes plus. Minus minus plus. Now f dash x is equal to 0. So cos x plus sin x is equal to 0. Cos x is equal to minus sin x. It means tan x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to, see here, x1 होता तो क्या होता? pi by 4 ACST. Now in second quadrant and in third quadrant it is negative. So x is equal to 3 pi by 4 and in third quadrant it is 7 pi by 4. 2 pi minus pi by 4, it is 7 pi by 4. This is the point. Now f double dash x, cos x minus sin x plus cos x. Now f double dash x at x is equal to, first we take x is equal to 3 pi by 4. X is equal to 3 pi by 4. So minus sin 3 pi by 4 plus cos 3 pi by 4. Here you see that minus sin 3 pi by 4 we can write pi minus pi by 4 plus cos pi minus pi by 4. Now f double dash x is equal to 3 pi by 4. Sin is positive in second quadrant, so minus sin pi by 4, it is second quadrant, sin is positive, so cos is negative, minus cos pi by 4, So it becomes minus root 2, minus 1 by root 2 is equal to minus 2 upon root 2. So it is minus root 2, it is less than 0. It is less than 0. So f double dash x at x is equal to 3 pi by 4 is local maxima. And maxima value is, put it here, x is equal to 3 pi by 4. So sin 3 pi by 4 minus cos 3 pi by 4. So it becomes sin 3 pi by 4. So it is, you can see, sin pi minus pi by 4 minus cos pi minus pi by 4. So it is, second quadrant, it is positive, sin pi by 4 minus plus cos pi by 4. So it is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 2 upon root 2. This will cancel out. Root 2 is the local maxima. Now I will check at 7 pi by 4. At x is equal to 7 pi by 4. So f double dash x sin at x is equal to 7 pi by 4 is minus sin 7 pi by 4 plus cos 7 pi by 4. You can write minus sin 2 pi minus pi by 4 plus cos 2 pi minus pi by 4. Now see here, it is third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is positive, sin is negative. So it is minus and minus. Sin pi by 4 plus cos is positive, so plus cos pi by 4. So it comes 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. It is f double dash x is greater than 0. So it is local minima. So minimum value is, I can find it here, minimum value value at x is equal to 7 pi by 4 is sin 7 pi by 4 minus cos 7 pi by 4. It comes minus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2. It is minus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2. It is 2 upon root 2. This will cancel out and it will come minus root 2. Eighth part. Fx is given to you x under root 1 minus x. X is greater than 0. Now find f dash x. This is first function, this is second function. F dash x is equal to first function into differentiate of second 2 under root 1 minus x. Root x का क्या होता है 1 upon 2 root x. Instead of x it is 1 minus x. So minus x का हो गया minus 1 plus second into differentiate of first. Now see here, it is minus x upon 2 under root 1 minus x. You can take LCM. 2 under root 1 minus x, you can take LCM. So it is 2 under root 1 minus x is LCM. So it is minus x, and this is, if you multiply it by 2 and plus 2, 1 minus x. So it becomes minus x plus 2 minus 2x upon 2 under root 1 minus x. So f dash x is equal to 2 minus 3x upon 2 under root 1 minus x. Now you take f dash x is equal to 0. You will, if you 0 it, cross multiply, you will get 2 minus 3x is equal to 0. 2 is equal to 3x. So this implies x is equal to 2 by 3. This is the point. X is equal to 2 by 3 is the point. Now I find f double dash x. For checking the sign we have to find f double dash x. Now u upon v rule we can apply. 1 upon 2 common. डिनोमिनेटर का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 1 माइनस एक्स. डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज, डिफरेंशिएट ऑफ न्यूमरेटर 2 का 0 माइनस 3x का माइनस 3 माइनस न्यूमरेटर डिफरेंशिएट ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर 1 अपॉन 2 अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स इंटू माइनस 1. नाउ take LCM 2 root 1 minus x. LCM लीजिए. So it becomes f double dash x is equal to 1 upon 2. LCM लिया तो क्या minus 6 bracket 1 minus x. Root becomes 4 square होते root हट जाएगा. So it is minus minus plus this minus is plus. It is plus 2 minus 3x upon 1 minus x. Now 1 upon 2 minus 6 plus 6x plus 2 minus 3x upon, ये भी तो नीचे आएगा, it is 2 under root 1 minus x. So 2 1 minus x under root 1 minus x. So final value becomes, I can write here, so f double dash x is equal to 6 में से 6x में से 3x गया तो 3x minus 4 minus 6 plus 2 is 4. It is 2 1 minus x under root 1 minus x. Now at x is equal to 3 by 2 पे चेक करते हैं इसको साइन को. f double dash x is equal to 3 into 3 by 2 minus 4 upon 2 1 minus 3 by 2 under root 1 minus 1 minus, it is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 का under root. So this is positive and this is negative. So negative upon positive is negative. So f double dash x is negative. So f double dash x is negative. It means it is local maxima. Now you find the value of local maxima. So I will find the value of local maxima here. Local maxima value is equal to x is equal to 3 by 2 पे 2 by 3 पे. So fx is f2 by 3 पे वैल्यू निकालेंगे. x को क्या रखेंगे 2 by 3 under root 1 minus 2 by 3. So it becomes 2 by 3 into 1 by root 3 into root 3 rationalize कर दीजिए. So it is 2 root 3 upon 9. This is the value at x is equal to, this is the maximum value, local maximum value. Question 4. Prove that following function do not have maxima and mean. Function is given to you, fx is equal to e to the power x. So see here, f dash x is equal to e to the power x. This means f dash x not equals to 0. This implies the function has do not maxima and minima. Second part, gx is given to you log x. So g dash x is equal to 1 upon x. This also implies z dash x not defined, not equals to 0. So not maxima and minima. Now I will take third part. function is given to you, hx is equal to x cube x square plus x plus 1. Now h dash x is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. If I mean h dash x is equal to 0 and find the value of this equation, make it 0. So what is the root of this equation? What is the root of this equation? If equation is 3x square plus 2x plus 1, we know that x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now what is b? Minus b is coefficient of x, so minus 2 plus minus under root b square 9 minus 4 into a3c1 upon 2 into a3. So x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 9 minus 12, 9, 4 ac, 4 into 3 into 12, 9 minus, it is b square. So 4 minus 12 upon 6. So it is x minus 2 plus minus minus 8 upon 6. So this implies that roots are imaginary. So we cannot find h dash not equals to 0. This implies x dash not equals to 0. So do not have no maxima and question 5th. Find absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. Absolute maximum and absolute minimum. Second part, fx is equal to sin x plus cos x. This implies x belongs to 0 and pi. So you have to find maximum and minimum absolute value. So f dash x is equal to sin x का क्या होता है? Cos x, cos का क्या होता है? Minus sin x. Now f dash x is equal to 0. It means cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So sin x is equal to cos x. So tan x is equal to 1. So x is equal to pi by 4. Now we have to find value only. तो point आ गया 0 8.0 है 8.5 है because it is closed interval and एक pi by 4 है. So we have 3 points. So we have checked the value at these 3 points and which is the maximum value, that is called absolute maximum. So make one table. This is x, this is fx 0, फिर आया आपके pi by 4, फिर आया pi. Now f0 at x is equal to 0 पे ले लीजिए वैल्यू क्या आएगा? f0 क्या आ जाएगा? sin 0 plus cos 0. It means sin 0 0 1. pi by 4 पे क्या आएगा? sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4, यानी कि 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 upon root 2, यानी कि root 2. Now other is pi. pi पे क्या आएगी? sin pi plus cos pi. sin pi तो 0, cos pi minus 1. So absolute maximum क्या हो गया? root 2. This is absolute maximum and this is absolute minimum. You can write absolute maximum value is root 2 at x is equal to pi by 4. Absolute minimum value is minus 1 at x is equal to pi. This and this. Third part, function is given to you, f(x) is equal to 4x minus half x square. X belongs to minus 2 comma 9 by 2 close bracket. Now we have to find absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. So first we find the critical points, taking f dash x, find f dash x. 4 minus 2, 2x upon 2, it is 4 minus f dash x is 4 minus x. F dash x is equal to 0. For finding critical points, make f dash x 0. 4 minus x is equal to 0, so x is equal to 4. It lies between minus 2 and 9 by 2. So the points are x, fx, minus 2, 4 and 9 by 2. Now find the value of at x is equal to minus 2. Now minus 2 पे वैल्यू होगी 4 into minus 2 minus 1 upon 2 into 4. This is 2 minus 8 and minus 2 यानी कि minus 10. At x is equal to 4. So at x is equal to 4, 4 into 4, put in fx, 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2 into 16. This will cut. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Here it is 8. Now at x is equal to 9 by 2, put it here. 4 into 9 by 2 minus half x square means 9 by 2 into 9 by 2. So it becomes LCM ले लीजिए. So what is the LCM? 8 is the LCM. So 2 4s are 36 into 4, 6 4s are 24 and 144 minus 81. So it becomes 63 upon 8. You see, it is less than 8. 8 7 is 56. 8 8 is 64. So it is less than 8. So maximum value is 8. Maximum value, absolute maximum value is 8 at x is equal to 4, and this is the minimum value. Minus 10 is minimum value at x is equal to minus 2. Question 7. Find both maximum and minimum value. Function is given to you. Fx is 3x to the power 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25, and interval is closed interval 0, comma. Now we have to first find f dash x. X to the power 4, 4x cube into 3, 12x cube minus 24x square plus 12x minus 48. Now f dash x is equal to 0, so 12x cube minus 24x square plus 12x minus 48, 0. Taking 12 common, x square minus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x and minus 4 is equal to 0. Make grouping of these 2 and these 2 common. I will take x square common. It becomes x square common x minus 2 plus 2 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again I will take x minus 2 common, x minus 2 and remaining in other bracket. So we see that this not equals to give imaginary root. X square plus 2 is imaginary root. So I will take this x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. Now it is in the range of 0 and 3. Make table. X fx. Now if I take x0, 2, 3. If x is equal to 0, then f0 is, this is 0, 0, 0, it is 25. Now at x is equal to 2, put 2 here, 3, 2 to the power 4 minus 8, 2 to the power 3 plus 12, 2 to the power 2 minus 48, 2 plus 25. Now 63 is a 48. 8 8 64 plus 4 into 12 48 minus 96 plus 25. This is cancelled out and 64 minus 25 is minus 39. Now at x is equal to 3. Now see here 3 to the power 4 minus 8 to the power 3 to the power 3 plus 12 3 to the power 2 minus 48 into 3 plus 25. If you solve it you will get 16. So minimum value is, this is minimum value at x is equal to 2. This is maximum value, this is maximum value at x is equal to 0. Question 8. At what points interval 0, 2 pi does function sin 2x attains maximum value? In this interval, in this interval there are other points. Check at which point sin 2x attains maximum value. So function fx is equal to sin 2x. We find f dash x is equal to 2 cos 2x. F dash x is equal to 0. It means 2 cos 2x is equal to 0. It means cos 2x is equal to 0. So this implies pi by 2 का 0 होता है तो जनरल वैल्यू क्या होगी? 2x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. N belongs to interval I. Put n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, dash, dash, dash. If I put n is equal to 0, first we have to find the value of x. So it is 2x. So convert it into x. Divide by 2. It becomes 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. Put this value in this. If I take n is equal to 0, so x is equal to pi by 4. If I take n is equal to 1, it becomes 3 pi by 4. If I take n equals to 2, it becomes 5 pi by 4. If I take n is equal to 3, it becomes 7 pi by 4. If I take n is equal to 4, it becomes 9 pi by 4, which is more than 2 pi. So we have take value pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, 7 pi, 2 pi and 0. Now make the table. Now make the table to find x at different. We have to find value of x at fx. So x and value of fx. If I take x0, what is value of this? Pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Now 2 pi. Now find the values if fx is equal to sine 2x. If I take x is equal to 0, so sine 0 is 0. Okay. If I take x is equal to pi by 4, sine 2 into 2 pi by 4, it becomes pi by 2 1. X is equal to 3 pi by 4, sine 2 into 3 pi by 4, it becomes 3 pi by 2. It means it is sine pi plus, it is sine 3 pi by 2. It is pi plus pi by 2. You can write sine pi plus pi by 2. It is cos my second quadrant. By third quadrant in ACST, you see that ACST third quadrant sign is negative, so minus sine pi by 2, it means it is minus 1. At x is equal to 5 pi by 4, it becomes sine 2 into 5 pi by 4, it means 5 pi by 2. Sine 5 pi by 2, you can say it is in which quadrant? Pi by 2. Pi 2 pi minus 2 pi plus pi by 2. See here, you can write it 2 pi plus pi by 2. It is with 2 to the 4 plus pi by 2. It becomes which quadrant? 2 by first quadrant. So it is sine pi by 2. It means it's 1. Now 7 pi by 4. If I take x is equal to 7 pi by 4, it becomes sine 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2. So it is sine 4 pi minus pi by 2. So sine 4 pi minus pi by 2. It is in third quadrant. So it is third quadrant. It is minus sine pi by 2. Minus 1. And sine n pi क्या होता है? Sine 2 pi. N pi 0. So sine n pi is 0. So maximum value is this and this. So maximum value is कहाँ हुई maximum value? At x is equal to 5 by 4, fx is equal to 1. At x is equal to 5 pi by 4, fx is equal to 1. So this is the answer. Question 11. It is given that at x is equal to 1, the function fx is equal to x to the power 4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9 attains maximum value. Attains maximum value on the interval 0, 2. Find a. Now it is given to you at x is equal to 1. This is critical point where f dash x is equal to 0 is maximum value. So we have to find f dash x. So f dash x is equal to 4x cube minus कितना हो जाएगा 2x हो जाएगा into 2. So 2 minus 124x plus 8. Now f dash x at x is equal to 1 attains maximum value. So 4x cube minus 124x plus a is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 1 because at x is equal to 1 it attains maximum value. It is a critical point of this. So 4 1 का cube minus 124x plus a. So it 4 minus 124 plus a. So it is equal to 0 minus 120 plus a is equal to 0. So a is equal to 120. Now I will take 12th question. See here. Question 12. find the maximum and minimum values. Find maximum and minimum values. Find maximum and minimum values of फंक्शन दिया हुआ है f x टेक x प्लस sin 2x in the interval 0, 2 same as 8 question 0, 2 pi पे maximum and minimum both value we have to find. So first we take f dash x 1 plus it is cos 2x into 2. Now f dash x is equal to 0, it means 1 plus 2 cos 2x is equal to 0. So 2 cos 2x is equal to minus 1, cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So cos 2x you can write cos pi minus pi by 3. In second quadrant it is negative. So what is the value of cos 2x is equal to 2 cos 2 pi by 3. You know this formula, cos x is equal to cos y, then x is equal to 2n pi plus minus y. We use it here. So 2x is equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3 plus minus 2 pi by 3. Now what is the value of x? Now what is the value of x? X is equal to divide by 2. So n pi plus minus pi by divide by 2. So n pi plus pi by 3. Here n belongs to I. You can take n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. एक बार प्लस का लेंगे और एक बार माइनस का. Now नेगेटिव अपन को लेना नहीं है क्योंकि it is 0 to 2 pi. So if I take 0, then x becomes pi by 3. X becomes pi by 3. If I take x is equal to 1, if I take x is equal to 1, it becomes 2, 1 रखा, 5 plus pi by 3. It is 4 pi by 3. एक बार 1 ले लीजिए, 5 minus pi by 3 यानी कि 2 pi by 3 नेगेटिव लिया, पॉजिटिव लेंगे तो 5 plus pi by 3 यानी कि 4 pi by 3. Now take 2 pi minus pi by 3. It is 6 minus 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3. Now प्लस का लेंगे 7 pi by 3. 7 pi by 3 ज्यादा हो जाएगा 2 pi से, so don't take this. The points are make table. Rub this. Make table x fx. First point is 0, then pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3, and 2 pi. Now at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, the value is 0. At x is equal to pi by 3, so it becomes pi by 3. At x is equal to pi by 3, it becomes pi by 3 plus sin 2 pi by 3. Sin 2 pi by 3 is negative. You know the value of this. It becomes, we know, sin pi minus pi by 3. It is positive, है ना? It is sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3. Sin 60 कितना होता है? root 3 by 2. So it becomes pi by 3 plus root 3 by 2. So value of this is pi by 3 plus root 3 by 2. At 2 pi by 3, x is equal to 2 pi by 3. The value becomes 2 pi by 3 plus sin 2 pi by 3. 2 into 2, it becomes 4 pi by 3. So इसकी वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? माइनस रूट 3 by 2. So it becomes 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. Similarly, you will get 2 pi by 3 plus root 3 pi by 2. 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 pi by 2 and sin 2 pi तो इधर 0 हो जाएगा, 2 pi रखेंगे, n pi 0 होता है, so it becomes 2 pi. So what is the minimum value and maximum value? Maximum value is 2 pi and minimum value is 0. This is minimum value. 0 is minimum value at x is equal to 0. This is maximum value. 2 pi is maximum value. Question 14. Question 14. Find two positive numbers x and y. Find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 60 and xy cube is maximum. These two conditions is given to you, so it is to take first and this is called p, protect is second. So this is maximum and it is in two variable. We can reduce in one variable. It means double differentiation of this product becomes less than 0. So it is maximum and we find the value of x and y. So if we know that what is the value of x from here, x is 60 minus y, put in 2 we get, इधर x की वैल्यू रख दीजिए 60 minus y cube. Now p becomes 60y cube minus y to the power 4. Now we have to, it is now single one variable, it is in y, so we find dpy dy 60 into 3 180y square minus 4y cube. Now we know that dp upon dy is equal to 0 and find the critical points. 180y square minus 4y cube is equal to 0. So it becomes 180y square is equal to 4y cube. This y square and y cube one cut and 4 से इसको काटा, it cut, it will come 4 the 16 45. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 45. This is our critical point. So we have to check the double differentiation on y is equal to 45. So find d2p dy square, d2p dy square, it is 2 into 180y, 2 into 180y minus 12y square. Now d2p dy square at y is equal to 45. So it becomes 2 into 180 into 45 minus 12 into 45 square. So I will take, if you multiply this and this, it becomes 45, you take common, so it becomes 45. It is 360 minus 12 into 45. It means it is negative. This, the value of this is greater, minus value is greater, so it is overall negative. So it is less than 0. So P is maximum at y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12. Put in 1, we will get the value of x. Put in 1, we get, इधर रख दीजिए x plus at y is equal to 45. X plus 45 is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60 minus 45. X is equal to 15. These are the values. Question 16. Find the find two positive numbers whose sum is, let the positive numbers be, let numbers be x and y, whose sum is given to you, x plus y is given to you 16, and sum of the cubes is minimum, means double differentiate of this is represented by s. This is first equation, this is second equation. Double differentiate of this is positive, so it is minimum. Prove that double differentiate of it is positive. इसको प्रूव करना है, s डबल डैश क्या आना चाहिए, positive, so it is minimum. So here we can put the value of y. What is the value of y? From first, it is 16 minus x. Put it here, so s is equal to x cube plus 16 minus x the whole cube. Now it is in one variable, so we find ds by dx 3x square plus 16 minus x, 16 का हो जाएगा 0 minus x का हो जाएगा -1. So you have to make dx by ds equal to 0 to find the critical points of Sx. Now 3x square plus 16 minus x, ये minus है, is equal to 0, 3 cancel out, so x square is equal to 16 minus x, इसको उधर ले जाए, 16 minus x whole square. Now taking square root on both sides, x is equal to 16 minus x, negative side होती है इसलिए we will take positive, so 2x is equal to 16, x is equal to 8. The point comes to be x is equal to 8 पे we have to check the double differentiate d2s dx square. So d2s dx square we calculate from here, it is 6x and it is minus 6, 2 into 3 6 and minus 6 bracket 16 minus x and x का -1. So we see that 6x minus plus 16 plus and 16 6 are 96 and minus plus and -6x plus हो गया फिर -1. This is cancel out, this is 96. So we see that d2s over dx square at x is equal to 8 greater than 0. So s is minimum at x is equal to 8. Put x is equal to 8 in 1, इधर रख दीजिए, तो 8 plus y is equal to 16, y is equal to 8.